Welcome to our session on artificial intelligence for executives. Today we'll explore how AI can drive strategic growth, innovation, and competitive advantage at the highest levels of your organization. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries by enabling data-driven decision-making and automation. At a strategic level, AI can optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and uncover new business opportunities. It's more than just technology, it's a game changer. It's important to distinguish between how AI is leveraged by managers versus executives. Managers use AI to improve day-to-day operations, like predictive maintenance and customer service automation. They focus on implementing AI tools and managing change within their teams. In contrast, executives use AI to drive strategic initiatives, making high-level decisions that align AI with business goals, and ensuring ROI from AI investments. Executives also oversee governance, risk management, and fostering a culture of innovation across the organization. AI adoption is accelerating across industries. Companies are using AI for predictive analytics, personalized marketing, and autonomous operations. The future of AI looks even more promising with advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems. Investing in AI can yield significant returns. Calculate the ROI by considering cost savings, revenue growth, and efficiency gains. Look at case studies where AI investments have led to substantial business improvements, like enhanced customer insights and streamlined supply chains. As an executive, your role is to set the vision for AI adoption. Lead by example, encourage a data-driven culture, and ensure that your organization is prepared to leverage AI for strategic advantage. It's crucial to align AI initiatives with your overall business goals. AI governance is essential to mitigate risks and ensure ethical use. Establish clear frameworks for data privacy, security, and compliance. Implement risk management strategies to address potential biases and ensure transparency in AI decision-making. Foster collaboration between departments and with external partners. Encourage innovation by supporting AI research and development. By collaborating and innovating, your organization can stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge. In conclusion, AI offers unparalleled opportunities for strategic growth and innovation. By understanding market trends, investing wisely, leading with vision, ensuring robust governance, and fostering collaboration, you can harness the full potential of AI. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this session valuable. Embrace the power of AI and drive your organization forward.